Indonesian Air Force once waiting for U.S. response for sale of F-35 Lightning II, and F-15X Eagle now finalized deal with Turkey for purchase of KAAN 5th-generation fighter jets. Turkey will export 48 KAAN fighter jets to Indonesia, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan announced on Wednesday. Indonesian Air Force also ordered 42 Rafales worth of $8 billion. Delivery will commence from 2026. Indonesia reduced its share in South Korean KF-21 Boramae 5th-generation fighter jet program from 40% to 7% only. As part of the agreement signed with our friendly and brotherly country, Indonesia, 48 KAAN fighter jets will be produced in Turkey and exported to Indonesia, Erdogan wrote on X. The 5th-generation fighter jet KAAN is produced by state-run Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI. Indonesia's local capabilities will also be utilized in the production of KAAN jets, added the Turkish head of state without providing further details on the production arrangements. The contract, valued at $10 billion, includes the production and delivery of the KAAN fighter jets to Indonesia over a 10-year period, according to Turkish media. The deal also includes a technology transfer to Indonesia, according to Turkish broadcaster TRT Haber. Earlier, Indonesia had expressed keen interest in participating in the development of the KAAN, a 5th-generation stealth fighter jet spearheaded by Turkish Aerospace Industries. This announcement, made by Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto during a bilateral meeting with Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in Ankara on April 10, 2025, marks a significant step in Indonesia's quest for cutting-edge jets. The KAAN is designed to replace Turkey's aging F-16 fleet and compete with global heavyweights like the US F-35 and Russia's Su-57. With its twin-engine design, stealth features, advanced avionics, and manned-unmanned teaming capabilities, the KAAN promises to deliver cutting-edge performance. Its maiden flight in February 2024 and subsequent tests have showcased its potential, with plans for initial production by 2028. President Subianto's announcement also highlighted interest in collaborating on Turkish submarine projects, signaling a comprehensive defense partnership. This move comes amid growing bilateral ties, with recent agreements on trade, culture, and defense. Both France and China are pitching their Rafale and J-10C fighters to Indonesia. The country has already bought a batch of French-origin jets and could order more fighters. Indonesian Deputy Defense Minister Doni Hermawan Taufanto said during a public discussion in Jakarta that China has offered the J-10C jets to the country. The jets were reportedly offered when Indonesian Air Force representatives visited China. The minister stated that the government was examining whether the aircraft, widely used by the Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF, could meet operational requirements and be integrated with existing Indonesian platforms. He emphasized that the review is still in its early stages and that Jakarta has not dispatched a team to conduct a technical examination or follow up on the offer. Indonesia never purchased Chinese weapons and historically, Russian fighter was part of IAF. The Indonesian Air Force using Su-27 and Su-30 and also evaluated Su-35, but prefer Rafales over Su-35. Due to US pressure, Indonesia evaluated F-15, but delays in talks and response, Indonesia selected Rafales.